Morning, you okay? Hope you're doing alright. Right, let's say hello to all our friends first. After 3, 1, 2, 3. Good morning, Puffins. Okay, let's go and see which number we've got to today. Which one do you think it is? We did 19 yesterday. So what comes next? Have a think. Right, you ready to count? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Did you get that right? Now if you listen to the end of that word, don't actually say it properly, 20, we've gone into a new set of numbers. Where we had here, look, 110 at the beginning of each of these numbers, and we get onto like the teens, 14, 15, like 19. Now we get into the T numbers at 20. So everything we do now will have 20 something. So it'll be 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. So all of them will have 20 and then the number of ones that they have. So we've got the 20 numbers now. Numbers that have 2 10s will come next. Right, let's have a look at number 20. What's half of 20? Do you know? You know? It's 10. If you had 10 and 10 more, that's 20. Double 10 is 20. If you watch the 20 number block thing with his 210 tango or whatever it was, you'll see that 10 and 10 make 20. Shall we count backwards from 20 today in ones? You ready? 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go blast off around your living room, quick, go. And then quickly let's have a look at the day. So yesterday was Monday. The day after Monday is Tuesday. Right, so today, normal things, we'll just follow the same routine that we do. We'll do Go Noodle, handwriting, phonics, a morning challenge, maths, leisure time, afternoon challenge, and another story. And I'll try tomorrow from the library to get a new chapter book, okay? Also, I forgot to talk about house points. I was going to do it a few weeks ago, but never mind. So, what I'm going to do is, at the end of this half term, and once I've gone through all your observations, if you've scored 100 points in the last, I think it might be month, 5 weeks, 6 weeks, I don't know what it is, then you're going to get a bronze award. So a bit like the Olympics, where you get a bronze. If you score 200 house points, you'll get a silver award. And if you've reached 300, you'll get a gold award, okay? And lots of you are in lots of different stages and places on house points. So that's why I think I'll make sure everybody has the opportunity to get a certificate, okay? And then I might give out also the overall house point winner an extra certificate as well, all right? And if you want to bump up your scores, you can do like Education City, the Numbots maths thing, and share what reading books you're reading, because they're the ones that get you 5 house points, okay? Alright, good luck. Let's have a look just before we finish at the months of the year again. We haven't done that for a few days, so you can get these out and put them in order, please. Right, so pause until you've got yours set up. I've got mine set up, so when you're ready, we'll carry on. Oh, thinking of house points and books, in case your parents haven't had the email from me, because I've realised some of the emails are actually work emails, and maybe at the moment some parents aren't using their work emails. In the Puffin folder, there are some reading books from the phonics scheme that you read with me in school. You know, the Dandelion books. Remember Sam and Pip and those characters? If your mum or dad didn't get the email, if you email me, I'll email you where you got to in school, alright? And then if you carry on reading from where we left off, you can get 5 house points for each one of those books. Okay, have you done your months? Let's have a look. So, have you got January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. So we're in May, the final month of spring, and at the end of this video I'm gonna just put some clips of some things I saw in Dawlish that's definitely to do with spring, and they're very, very lovely things to see in Dawlish. Hope you like watching them. Last time we talked about June, July, August. What season was that one? It was summer. And then here, I'm going to look at these 3 months today. So they've got this orange border, and they've got on them leaves. So which season do you think this one might be? Yeah, it's autumn, and the leaves are there because it's where most of the trees lose their leaves, isn't it? And we see all the brown leaves and the red leaves and the orange leaves all over the floor. Now, in the autumn, September, that's the month you start a new year in school. So last September is when you started school, actually, isn't it? And this September, become year 1, and then next September, year 2, and so on and so on and so on. So September is a big month for every school child because it's when they start a new year. And also between September and October, might celebrate harvest, where we think about all the food that's produced, and we have our harvest festival in school. And at the end of October, some of you might go to a Halloween disco and dress up. And then we move into November, and in November, do you know what happens on the 5th of November every year? It's fireworks night. And then at the end of November, we get St. Andrew's Day, which we celebrated last year, which is the patron saint of which of the United Kingdom countries? Scotland. Right, I hope you enjoy the little clips. Look, they have this special kind of aviary down by the brook in Dawlish, and they have this little window where they keep little chicks. Look, in their own little aviary, separate. Oh. And look across the brook. The cygnets are growing really big already. I think they've doubled in size.